Welcome RMTech CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration EIGRP or Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol configuration. So, as you see in our topology, it consists of 4 routers. So, in this LAN or this interface, we will give or we will assign gigabyte 0/0. We will assign this IP address 192.168.50.0, but this another LAN we will assign 192.168.60.0. So in this, to start in our configuration, first we will configure IP addresses to the routers and hosts. So click this router, no, enable config. Let me check this interface gigabyte 0/0 every time. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.50.1 255.255.255.0 no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface. So this interface will assign this IP address 10.10.10.10.1 in this interface. But this another interface gigabyte 0/0, it will be 10.10.10.2. So it is gigabyte 01 exit interface gigabyte 01 IP address 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.252 because it is /30. So come this another interface gigabyte 02 and we will assign or we will give this IP address. In this interface we will give 20.20.20.1, but this another interface we will give 20.20.20.2. So interface gigabyte 02 IP address 20.20.20.1 255.255.255.252 and then no shutdown. Okay, come this another router. So this router we will make the configuration this interface and it will take 10.20.20.2 and this another interface gigabyte 01 will give this IP address 30.30.30.1, but this another interface it will be 30.2. So no enable config interface gigabyte 0. Let me check gigabyte 0/0 IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.252 no shutdown because this one was 10.1. This another interface it will be 10.2. Come this another interface gigabyte 01 interface gigabyte 01 IP address it will be 30.30.30.1 30.30.30.1 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. So come this another interface. Okay, before we go that router, we will finish this router. So in this interface gigabyte 0/0 it will be 20.20.20.2 because this interface takes 20.1. So no enable config interface gigabyte 0/0. Let me check okay, IP address 20.20.20.2 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01 and it will take 40.40.40.1 in this interface, but this another interface which will take 40.2. So click the router interface gigabyte 01 IP address 40.40.40.1 255.255.255.252 no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01 and it will take 40.2 no enable config interface gigabyte 01 IP address 40.40.40.2 255.255.255.252 no shutdown because this interface was 40.1 but this another interface it will be 40.2. Okay, in this interface it was okay 30.1 but this another interface it will be gigabyte 0/0 30.2. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0. Okay, IP address 30.30.30.2 255.255.255.252 no shutdown. In our last interface it will be gigabyte 02 and we will assign this IP address 192.168.60.1 in this default gateway. So gigabyte 02 interface gigabyte 02 IP address 192.168.60.1 255.255.255.0 now shut down, and then we will assign the host's IP address. Okay, we will start in this party, come this PC and we will assign this IP address. Click desktop 192.168 okay dot 50.10 sorry 192.168.50.50.10 copy this one. It is default gateway it's 50.1. Okay, come this another PC and we will give 50.20. Okay, it is default gateway is 50.1. Okay, come this another this another PC 192.168.60.10. Okay, it is default gateway is 192.168.60.1. Copy. Okay, desktop 192.1 sorry past 60.20 and it is default gateway is 60.1. So now we finished the configuring IP address to the routers and hosts. In our next step, we will configure default EIGRP in all the routers to advertise directly connected networks. So we will advertise this IP address, this IP address, and this IP address in this router. In this router, we will advertise this IP address and this IP address, this router, this IP address. So click this router and then exit, and then you will write router EIGRP, then you will write 100, okay, network, okay, 192.168.50.0, and it is wildcard mask key. It will be class C IP address 0.0.0.255, okay, sorry, network 192.168.50.0, it is wildcard mask 0.0.0.255, okay. Come this another IP address 10.10.10.0, okay, network 10.10.10.10.0, it is wildcard mask 0.0.0.3, okay, network. Come this another one 20.20, 20.20.20.0, it is wildcard mask it's a slash 30 0.0.0.3, okay, network 20.20.20.0 0.0.0.3, okay, and then save your configuration, okay. Come this another router, and we will advertise these two IP address, this IP address and this IP address 20.20.20.0 and 40.40.40.0, exit router EIGRP 100, network 20.20.20.0 0.0.0.3, okay, sorry, okay. Come this another interface 40.0.0 40.40.40.0 0.0.0.3, sorry, okay. Then save your configuration. Come this another router, and we will advertise 10.10.10.0 and 30.30.30.0, exit router EIGRP 100, network 10.10.10.0, it is wildcard mask 0.0.0.3. Come this another interface, how to advertise 30.30.30.0 0.0.0.3, okay. Come this last router, and we will advertise this IP address, this IP address, and this IP address 30.30.30.0 40.40.40.0 and 192.168.60.0, okay. Then right exit router EIGRP 100, network 30.30.30.0 wildcard mask 0.0.3, okay. Come this another interface 40.40.40.0 and it is wildcard mask 0.0.0.3, okay. Come this last IP address, how to advertise 60, network 192.168.60.0, okay, 0.0.0.255, okay, and then save your configuration, do right. Now we finish the configuring default EIGRP in all the routers to advertise the directory connected networks. So now we will test the trace route, the path, and ping the hosts. So first we will test if this PC can reach this another PC, or this PC can reach this another PC. So how to check? Click this PC and select CMD, and then you will write the IP address of this land. Okay, ping 192.168.60.10. As you see in here, we are able to reach in that PC, and we will test this another PC, and we will okay, come this another party, and we will test if we are able, we can connect in this PC 50.20 or 50.10. Okay, being 192.168.50.20. Okay, so as you see in here, in our network can reach and can talk. And so in our last step, we will make a trace route for the hosts. So click this PC and then trace search in this IP address in this LAN 192.168.60.10. Okay, as you see in here, in this IP address, it is the IP address of this LAN. So in this IP address, it is the IP address of this interface. And this IP address 40.40.40.2, it is the IP address of this interface. And 192.168.60.10, and it is the IP address of this land. So everything is working, and thank you very much, and we will see you in the next class.